77 miles an hour. That's how fast police now say the driver was going when he plowed into people who were sitting on that patio. And tonight, Tampa Bay 28 reporter Jada Williams in court as new documents came out and new charges came down.
Silas Sampson returned to the courtroom on Thursday, this time learning that he will not get out of jail before his trial.
We're here this morning in state of Florida versus Silas Kenneth Sampson.
In a hearing that lasted just minutes, we learned more about Silas Sampson from both his attorney, Will Knight, and state prosecutor Justin Diaz.
He has no prior record except for one misdemeanor charge out of Pasco County. Certainly no felony record.
The defendant also does have a prior juvenile record. Obviously, that won't go on a score sheet because it's 5 years separated, but that was a fleeing to elude case.
Sampson is facing multiple charges, including vehicular homicide and fleeing to elude. Court records say Sampson led cops on a high-speed chase early Saturday morning. Documents say he was going as fast as 100 miles per hour just seconds before the crash, and 77 miles per hour when his car hit pedestrians on a busy Ybor street. 4 people were killed and at least a dozen others were injured.
The other thing that I would note is the defendant's driving record indicates that several months before this incident, the defendant was charged with speeding, doing 90 in a 70. That's his most recent driving history. Obviously, that's a concern to the state, given the fact that he is alleged to have been doing in excess of 90 miles an hour, in this case, down 7th Avenue. So he's again driving somewhere in the neighborhood of 90 miles or higher twice this year already.
I talked to Kimberly Moss Wednesday. Her daughter, Riley Hancock, and her godson, Connor Dietrich, remain in the hospital.
These kids, and they're good kids. They really are, and they were so responsible. They Ubered. They were just sitting there, just having a night out.
She and other family members were in the courtroom Thursday.
Every day we have small victories, and we're just thanking God that she's alive right now.
Sampson's family was also in the courtroom. Records reveal pending blood test results will determine if he had been drinking. The results could lead to additional charges. In Tampa, Jada Williams, Tampa Bay 28.